we are compassed about. That means there are hundreds of people that have went on before us, that have lived this life and have trusted in God. Yeah. We are compassed about with so great a cloud of witnesses. Witnesses mean that somebody that can witness to you that God can make a way. Somebody that can tell you God can give you a miracle. Somebody that can tell you God can bring you out of whatever trouble you are in. Yeah. Hallelujah. It don't matter what kind of condition you find yourself in. These people are witnesses to the power of God. That God's power is alive and it is real. And that God can do anything if you do one thing. And that is to put your faith in Him. That is to put your faith in Him.